G'day guys, Robbo here again. Welcome to another food video. In this video, I'm doing a special request for a subscriber and a good mate, my mate Mark, who is a fellow supporter of the awesome covers band, the Rock Addicts. Now, Mark asked me to do charcoal chicken for him. I think he asked me back in it was either November or December last year, and I was going to do it at a charcoal chicken place that I thought was here in Tahmoor, but unfortunately that place had closed down without me even knowing, so I didn't get to do it as soon as I thought I was going to get to do it. But then we also had the news that an Jannah was opening up here in Tahmoor, and at first I didn't even realise that Jannah was a charcoal chicken, but eventually I realised it, and then I said to Mark that as soon as Jannah opens, I will do the video for him. So that time has come. Now, as far as the advertising is concerned, Jannah wasn't actually supposed to open until this coming Saturday, but they've decided to open early, and so I've been in and got myself a charcoal box, and I'm gonna review what's in the charcoal box, tell Mark what I think of charcoal chicken, because it's been a long time since I've had charcoal chicken. Now, before I review this, and this is a fast food place, but it's a charcoal chicken fast food place. So before I eat the food, I just want to let you know that usually my favourite type of chicken is red rooster. So we'll see if Jannah is better than red rooster. And hopefully it'll taste good. So we'll get into it and we'll see what's in the charcoal box. So I'm not going to be able to show it to you, otherwise I'm going to tip the whole thing out. Actually, what I'll do is I'll tip it up. I'll tip the camera up and I'll show you. So we've got a burger, some sauce, good serving of chips, and there's a piece of charcoal chicken under the chips that you can't see yet. But I'll show you that in a minute. Actually, I'll get that out now. Now, they gave me a choice of breast or leg with the charcoal chicken. I went with the breast because they said that would have more chicken on it. And I'm not gonna eat the whole meal in front of you. Partly because yesterday's video that you saw, I only filmed that about 2 hours ago. So I've had a 2-hour gap since I finished that food from the last video. Thought I'd give myself 2 hours in Tahmoor, cruise around for a while. Now I'm trying Jannah. So I'm going to eat as much as I can, but it probably won't be the whole lot at the moment. And luckily it's in a nice box, so I'll just close the box back up, take it home, finish it another time. But as I said, you get a burger, breast chicken, good serving of chips, and a garlic sauce, and it's $21.50 for all that. So it's really hot chicken. Would have been good if I had some utensils on me actually. Got to try and break some chicken off so I can taste it. I'll taste this little bit. Now, I'm not usually a fan of chicken with a lot of bones, so I asked them which one would have the less bones, and they said the breast. And the breast has got lots of chicken in it. So it's nice chicken. And you can tell that it's charcoal chicken. It's got a smoky flavour about it. Oh, and but I say it also comes with a Pepsi. Oh, a can of drink. But I've got Pepsi. The skin on it is nice too. Let me know in the comments if you guys eat the chicken skin. I do. Could I open up the garlic sauce and try some with the garlic sauce? Now they said to me, did I want Jannah sauce or chili sauce? So I guess the Jannah sauce is garlic sauce. Well, I believe there's also sauce on the burger, so we'll see what that is. That's a nice sauce. I like that. Quite garlic, quite a strong garlic flavour. Have some more of that actually. That's actually really nice. I'll tell you what, if you're worried about garlic breath, you'll definitely get it with that sauce. Have some more. I'm actually really enjoying that. Now, the chicken, as I said, it's got a nice charcoaly flavour to it, smoky flavour. It's not as this is going to trigger some people, but it's not as moist as I thought it was going to be. It needs a sauce. If you like, it's not dry, but it's not as moist as other chicken I've had. So anyway, need a drink. Camera's moving on me. Alright, now let's try the chips. Yeah, alright. They're a good size. Good amount of potato inside. They're soft. Let's try a chip with some garlic sauce. That's better. Yeah. Now for the burger. I'm just going to set the rest of it aside for a second while I try this burger. We'll see what's on the burger. I don't think it's a huge burger. So I can get it. Yeah, hopefully. There we go. Chicken, lettuce, and a sauce that we'll find out what it is. Let's have a drink first. Okay, so I think it's just the mayonnaise. The chicken on this is nice. Actually, the chicken on this is really tender compared to the breast piece of chicken. And the mayonnaise is making it really moist. Good burger. And as usual, most of the lettuce is already fallen off. Yeah, no, it's a really good meal. I'm fairly impressed. Yeah, so that the chicken got been a bit more moist, but it was nice with the smoky charcoal flavour. Plenty of chicken on it. Garlic sauce was great. Chips, average. Burger, really nice. So, I'll do the rating after I have a drink. Size of the price. It's a good meal, good size, plenty of food. I'll give them an 8 out of 10. And the taste. Actually, I'll be right back, guys. I'll see you in a second. Alright, sorry about that. My nose was trying to run away from me. So the taste was pretty good. I think the chicken could have been a little bit better, but it was pretty good. Chips, as I said, average. Sauce is nice. Burger, awesome. I'll give him a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I'm fairly happy with it. So, cheers, Mark, for the suggestion to go to a charcoal chicken place. Hope you enjoyed this video, mate, and I don't know if you think my review was fair, but let me know. I'll see you soon anyway, mate. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share out the video. Send a super thanks if you want to help support future food videos. Become a member if you want to help out the channel financially regularly. And I'm going to get going. Catch us in the next one. Bye for now.